Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve the GitHub 4404 error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the not found error would occur because of either a mismatch in the URL or that a page really doesn't exist or simply you don't have the permission to access a page, and basically it will give you the 404 error or the not found error, and basically you will be needing just to resolve one of these three. So simply here I'm just going to this to my uh, to my repository, and from here I will just try to alter my URL, and basically I'm just going to use that, and basically it starts giving me the 404 error. And as you can see, this page is not found or doesn't exist. And basically always make sure that you didn't change anything in the URL, otherwise you will uh, probably have not the access to certain pages or to certain uh, repositories, and you can find these, for example, in the GitHub private repositories. Let's suppose you got a URL of a private repository, and basically here in the collaborators you will be able to allow people who can access to your uh, code, who can review, who can do anything. So as you can see, you can limit whatever you want to your users or to your collaborators, etc. Another thing is that there is just some deployment problem, and that would also occur when you are using GitHub pages. So make sure you have your branches are set very well. Make sure you are using deploy from a branch so you can avoid problems. And I'm just going to click on save. You can add a custom domain if you would like something like this. And I can click on save, and you will have your websites published, after etc. And all you need to do is just to make sure that everything is set in your website so you do not have this error on your GitHub pages. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.